This is the last row of motif A. Motif A is this. And we will proceed to motif B. But before we proceed to motif B, I would like you to count your pineapples, okay? Count this pineapple. You should have 7 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So make sure you have 7 pineapples. Okay? And next is I want you to put a marker on motif A. Okay? Put your marker on motif A. This is very important because I want you to make it right. This is row 52, the last row of motif A, and we will continue to motif B, row 1, round 1, okay? First, you put a marker on this loop. Skip one marker on next loop, and put marker here next to the red marker. Skip one, put another marker on this loop, and 1 marker on this loop, and skip one, another marker on this loop. This is this side, the starting side, and then go to the other side. Here is the starting point, okay? You put marker on here, the starting point, the loop up here. Skip the loop below here, you put marker next to it, okay? And then you put marker next to the first one, okay? Here. Skip one, put another marker here, and another marker here. Skip this one, another marker here. So total will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 marker each side. So 6 markers each side. Now we will continue to row 1, motif B. Here, okay, we start here. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. So 3 plus 7 is mean 10 chains. And then we will have 1 double crochet into the loop here, okay? You can see the loop here, the first, let's say the first here, okay? The loop between these 2 double crochet, actually we can say, okay? The loop here, we do 1 double crochet here. So this is it. Next we will have 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. We go to the loop here for 1 double crochet. One double crochet into loop. 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains, and we go to the loop with the marker. Have 1 double crochet, 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we will have 1 more double crochet into the same loop. Okay? This is the marker for. Now you understand. When you reach marker, you put this pattern. 2 double crochet and 7 chains. 7 chains in between. Then we continue with 7 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to next loop for 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 5, 6. Then I'll let you continue to this loop for 1 double crochet, and you just continue whenever the loop got no marker. That means it's only 1 double crochet. So when you come to this side, when you reach here, you put 2, okay? 2 double crochets, 7 chains, 2 double crochets, 7 chains, and also this one. And then when you come to this side, it's the same, okay? 2 double crochet, 7 chains, 2 double crochet, 7 chains, 2 double crochet, 7 chains, 2 double crochet, 7 chains. And here this one is already 2 double crochet, okay? This we count 2 double crochets. And I will see you here, okay? We are at the end of row 1 from motif B, okay? We will finish it. Last loop of round 1 is 3 chains and 1 treble crochet, and we will join with 1, 2, 3. Okay, the third chain, treble crochet, and we go to the loop for 1 single crochet. Three chains, 1 more single crochet into same loop, okay, like this. And then 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chains. We go to the loop. We go to this loop. Okay, this loop. Yeah, the first loop. This is 2 double crochet. For 1, we can put it 1, 2, 3, 4. We can put it here on the side, but we can adjust it later on. Okay, 7 chains, 1 single crochet, and then 3 chains, 1 more single crochet in the same loop. 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. We go to next loop, okay? 2, 4, we can put it here after the 4th chain from behind, or we can adjust it later on. 3 chains and 1 more single crochet, okay? 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chain, and go to next loop, okay? For 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and another single crochet into loop. 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you just go to the loop for 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and 1 single crochet. 7 chains, go to another loop. You just go around with this same pattern, and this one we can just adjust it, okay? Afterwards you adjust it to the middle like this, okay? Like this, okay? You adjust everything, and you go around for this round 2, go around, and I will see you here, okay? we are at the end of round 2, motif B. Okay, last loop will be 3 chains and 1 treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times, and we will join with the first single crochet. Okay, this is the loop, and we go to the loop for 1 single crochet again, 3 chains. The pattern is just the same, 3 chains, 1 single crochet again in the same loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. We go to next loop, skip this small loop, go to the big loop. Okay, we do 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and another single crochet, 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Go to next big loop. Okay, the big loop for 1 single crochet. This we also can adjust. Okay, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet in the same loop, 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I will let you do it to all the big loop, okay, with the same pattern. And you can see here we can place it, okay, in the middle, okay, like this. Make all this small, this 3 chains loop in the middle, okay. Then you just continue with this same pattern around to the end. And I would like to let you know, or I would like you to continue to round 4, 5, 6 with this same pattern, okay. So round 3, 4, 5, 6 is the same pattern. You do until round 6, and I will see you at end of round 6. Okay, see you there. We are at the end of round 6. We will continue to round 7. But before we continue, I would like you to put some pins, some markers, or anything just to remind you where to do the certain pattern. So just to make sure that you will do it right, okay? Here we will join this loop later on to continue to round 7. So you put a pin, skip 1 loop, you put a pin here, and this side, this is the loop, and put a pin here, okay, 2 pins, and here 1 loop, 2 loop, you put a pin here. This side also 1 loop, 2 loop, put a pin here, okay. Then we will go up here, I'll put it this way. After you put this pin, you count 1, 2, 3, you put a pin here, okay. This side, just do it the same, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, put a pin here. So you do both sides with the same count, okay. I'll show you one side, then you do to the other side too. After this one, you count 1, 2, 3, 4 loops, then you put a pin here. After this pin, you count again 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a pin or a marker here, okay? And you continue 1, 2, 3, 4 marker here. 1, 2, 3 marker here. Just same as the other side. And then 1 2 1 pin, 1 marker here. Okay, after this one you count 1 2 marker, and you go to the other side, 1 2 marker, same as the other side. And then here is also 1 2 3 1 marker, 1 2 3 4 1 marker, 1 2 3 4 1 marker. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 1 marker, then 1 2 3 1 marker. Come to our marker the other side. Okay, now we will continue to round. We just finished round 6 first. Okay, we will continue and finish round 6 before we go to round 7. 3 chains and 1 treble crochet, join with the first single crochet. Okay, here. Okay, then we can have 3 chains, 1 2 3, and 2 double crochet into loop, 1 2, 3 chains, and we go to next loop for 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochet into the same loop, 2 3 double crochets. Okay, and then we have 3 chains, and we continue to the loop with the marker. Here we will fill in double crochet 7 double crochets, 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 3 chains. Okay, 3 chains. I would like you to fill in this loop 3 double crochet, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochets. Okay, I'll fill it in for you, this one. Then we fill in, make it one set. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 chains, and another 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, and 3 chains, 1 2 3. Okay, up to here I want you to fill in this loop with exactly this pattern, 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, and fill in this loop with this pattern. Okay, and fill in this loop with this pattern, and I will see you here. Okay, I'll show you. This is what we have already done. Here the 7 double crochet and the shell. Here you have shell, 7 double crochet, and another shell, and I will see you here. Okay, I will see you here. I will see you here. You just fill in, and I will see you here. Okay, Okay, you have already reached here with the same pattern like this. Okay, the pattern here, copy to here. Now we continue. We have our last 3 chains. Then we have here, we have 3 loop, 1 2 3. So we go to the loop for 1 single crochet and 3 chains. We just fill in the loop with 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, and 3 chains and another 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, and then 3 chains. We have marker here. We will fill in this loop with 7 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 3 chains. The pattern is the same. We fill in this loop with 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, and 3 chains. Oops. 2 3, and another 3 double crochets, 1 2 3. This is one set. Okay, here we have another, we have four loops. This one will be this one, and then we will have, let me see, 3 chains, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 chain. We will have, we'll go to next loop to do 1 single crochet, and then 3. Here we will have 7 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 chain, 1 single crochet, next, and 3 chains, 1 2 3. Then we will fill in this loop with 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, 3 chains and another 3 double crochets. Three chains. Then I will let you continue to fill in this loop with 7 double crochet, and I will tell you how to continue. Whenever you see we have put markers on our table runner, okay, marker, then you will have 7 chains. If you see 1 2 3 4, then the pattern is this one. Okay, 4 loop, 1 2 3 4 loops. Use this pattern. If you have 1 2 3 loops, then the pattern is this one. Okay, if you have 2 loops, 1 2, then the pattern is like this. Here 2 loops, then the pattern will be this one. Okay, you just continue around with the same pattern here. 2 loops, 3 loops, and 4 loops. Okay, 2 loops here, 3 loops here, 4 loops here. So you just continue around and I will see you at the end or at the beginning point.